Guys, welcome to another video. And in this video I'll be showing you a site I've been using to hire freelancers for $1. Alright, this isn't like Fiverr, Upwork, um, and freelance. This site you can get freelancer to do a job for you for just $1. Alright, and for some time now, just very few persons are aware of the site, and that's what I'll be revealing to you. And do you know the best part of this is that what some persons on Fiverr do is uh they they create a platform on Fiverr and then get someone to do the job for them. But nevertheless, I'll be showing you how you can make money using this site. Alright. So but for this video, I'll be revealing the site to you. If this is the first time of coming to my YouTube channel, please ensure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for all. Alright, because after this video I'll be showing you how you can make money using this site. Right, so now let's just go straight up to the, uh, the deal for the day. Alright, so the name of the site is seoclark.com. seoclark.com. Right, it's loading. So this is it. All right, forget the big money you're seeing here, the $850. It's not, it's nothing. It's still loading. It's still loading. It's still loading. It's still loading. Okay, let me just run through this. All right. So this first thing I say is build 5 homepage posts with domain authority 70 plus cents for bloggers. Then Thailand, Indonesia, and Korea. That. Then this one says increase your website domain authority and domain name that. Now if you look here, you see that this person has delivered 19,753 orders at the price of $149, right? And also he has a good percentage, delivery percentage. Okay, so but that's not what we came here for, right? These guys are high priced, the product are high priced. You scroll down, you keep seeing cents $5, cents 135.50. Alright, but let's just go straight uh to this. Alright, so once you come here, the first thing you need to do is to join. If you don't have an account yet, you just click on join, open this in a new tab. Network is poor. Okay. So just once you come here, you just click on join, and then but then before we go into that, let's type in webs. Let's say you need a freelancer to send, sorry, let's say you need a freelancer to send you website traffic. All right, so just search for website traffic, then click on the enter. Forgive me for the poor network. All right, so Real human traffic to your website or blog for $5. Mega powerful social signals from top. So you see, this is just cents for $1 and cents for $2. Send $5 real human traffic to your website. Okay. Now go here, sort by. Then you click low to high. When you click low to high, it will show you prices ranging from $1 first, then downwards like $1, $2, $3, as the case may be. Right, so if you see here now, $1, I'll drive 2000 January traffic to your website for $1. And also I see this guy has good delivery percentage. So if you need 2000 January traffic to your website, you see you can you can place an order for this with this guy. He has done 578 deliveries and he completed all 100%. So that's why I'm saying this 100% here. Alright, so the next one is 1000 human targeted website traffic. 1001, he has done 122 orders and thumbs up, delivery rate 96%. So that is a good start. Okay, so the same thing goes for this. Alright, so anything you need, anything you need, you can just search it out and then get it. Let's say now I need a logo. All right, just click this and type logo and search. It's loading. um so you see it's still on the default low to high filter. So if you look at it, get fast to video logo intro for $1. And also this person has delivered 366 orders with 86% delivery rate, which is a good one. So that's that. Senses that will make your logo into a truly professional logo mockup. Okay, it's very simple. So that is that for this video. Right, I also made a complete video that will guide you on how to register, how to make payments, how to cancel order. Because most of these persons there, they have guarantee. If after delivering your order and you're not satisfied, you can cancel your order and get refunds. Right, like the last order I placed, the person didn't deliver as he said on his description, and then I had to cancel the order and I got my refund, got my money back. So with this site, you have nothing to lose, right? So in my next video, I will show you how you can make money from this site. It's very simple how you can make money using the site. All right. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Digital Success System. All right. Thank you.